Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. Since it is winter and the markets are full of overflowing with fresh colorful vegetables, and today we are going to make a recipe with two of them. Just look at that vibrant red color on the inside. So let's make the recipe. First we need to cook the vegetables to remove the raw smell and excess moisture. So heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add half cup of grated carrots and half cup of grated beetroot. Now saute this on medium heat. Look at how beautiful those colors look together. Once the veggies are cooked, add 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. We need to season this now. Add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of red chilli powder. And also add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder and 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves. Now cook for 3 to 4 minutes. We don't need to overcook them. Once the veggies are cooked, now turn off the heat and let this mixture cool down completely. Once cool, grease some oil in hand with a little oil. Take a portion of the mixture and make a shape. You can make them into round balls, cylinders, or flat tikis, whatever you prefer. Arrange them on a plate. Now let's make the crispy outer layer. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of rice flour. Season the batter with 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add half cup of water gradually and mix well. You want a smooth, lump-free slurry. Now take a ball, dip it into the flour mixture and then immediately drop it into the breadcrumbs. Coat it well. Roll it around so the crumbs stick to every side. This breadcrumb layer is what gives us that satisfying crunch sound. Heat some oil to medium heat. Gently slide the cutlet. Do not overcrowd the pan. Since the veggies inside are already cooked, we just need to crisp up the outside. Fry them until they turn golden brown. Take them out and listen to the crispy texture as you plate them. Serve this hot with some mustard sauce or tomato ketchup. I hope you enjoy this colorful winter recipe. If you like this recipe, please hit like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.